I have been hard at it this morning. I have got the seat bolted in now. I still got to do little supports off the back just for some more rigidity out of it. I mean, it is pretty solid, but just for my sake. But for the most part, it's in there. I kind of need to get that into basically where it's going to be going. I mean, it's now there. So I can figure out the harness bar. Harness bar is in now. I just got that welded in. My next task is I'm going to start doing the dash bar here. So I got that here, got that marked out where I'm going to cut it, get this installed. Then once this is installed and welded in, I think I'm going to then just actually concentrate on the back and get these down bars started. So I'm going to do that and I will be right back. Alright, so got the dash bar cut, and I'm definitely getting a little better at cutting these in general. So gotta get that down, there we go. And boom, she fits quite snug. And all I have is just hole saw. And pretty much just marking where I need to cut it. And then hole sawing it through, just holding it in my vise, kind of across here. Then hole saw it through and then clean it up with the angle grinder. And boom, there we go. Did the same thing kind of with this one, where just measured out to where the inside piece, or actually I guess consider that out. Well, I guess inside here, and then just marked with the other pipe I already had notched. Use that as kind of a template. So then all I have to do is go straight with the hole saw on here. Makes it a lot easier, actually. I've been thinking about getting one of those kits, those hole saw angle kits, like Harbor Freight and Northern Tool and stuff has. But for now, I'm going to just keep going without using it. Going to get one. I mean, I think the Harbor Freight one's around like 80 bucks or something, or 90 bucks. Northern Tools are a couple $100. But I want to keep trying it without it until I just have to get one. Or if I get this whole thing done without needing one. But either way, do what I have to do. But I won't get this figured out on exact height wise, and then probably weld it in. So we'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I just got some packages in the mail I was waiting on, some more parts. I cut these open, but I have not actually pulled them out yet. Let's see, got that, and oh, yep, I know what that is. Awesome. Set those to the side. Oh, this one I'm pretty excited about. I kind of know what this one should be. Yep. Alright, I'm going to set you all down for a second. Oh, another bag there. Awesome there. Alright, so what we have is a surge tank. These take basically the Bosch 044 style fuel pumps. I have one right now that I was using. I changed the other Festiva had this on it, but then I changed it into a in-tank pump. I had this as an external, but what's really cool about these is they fit into that, and this is designed for two. I have another one of these coming right now, but this one wasn't like prime or anything, so I think I'm just not due till like next Thursday. But I already had one. That's cool. These are 380 liters, I believe it is, type of fuel pump. So yeah, this is the surge tank. That way it doesn't run out of fuel if I'm cornering, hard acceleration, or stopping. I am building this towards like drag racing for the most part. I do plan on doing other things with it. Who knows? I might do some like autocrossing. I might do even try to do like a little rallying or something. I mean, it's going to be all-wheel drive, have a full roll cage in it. So it's kind of one of those, why not? But I mean, because also I have the 15-gallon fuel cell, and then that's going to go with the surge tank, which this is going to give me, I think this was 2 liters. I think it was like a 2 liter if I recall correctly. Oh, and then there is more hardware. And then the O-rings and the plates that go on top of that. So this is going to be really nice. It shouldn't starve for fuel or anything, because this tank basically stays full all the time. It's going to basically pull fuel from the fuel tank, the fuel cell that is, and the return off of the car itself actually goes to this first, and then from one of these lines it goes back to the fuel cell. So it always keeps this always full. That way you never starve your pump, or the pump and the car for fuel and everything. And that's, you lean something out, especially high horsepower, you melt pistons. So got that. Then right here is the fuel pressure regulator. This is the exact same one I have on the gray Festiva. I've never had a problem with it. So I figured, you know what? These are actually pretty cheap. This was $45, I believe it was, off of Amazon. And it comes with a bunch of all these fittings. Comes with an actual filled gauge, which is nice. It's not just one of those hollow ones and the needle goes everywhere. And it has like underneath here, it has like, I don't know, a foot or two of fuel line. Whoop-dee. It's not too much, but you never know. So there is the fuel pressure regulator. And then this should be the fuel line. And get that out of the way. Yep. Got the fuel line, and I went with 8 AN fuel line. And of course came with a ton of AN fittings, all of it 8 AN. Trying to overbuild this than underbuild it. I just want to make sure, just do this once and everything. The gray Festiva, I redid a lot of stuff on that one. And kind of learned my lesson, but with this one, I'm trying to do it once, do it right, first time out, instead of keep pulling stuff off and then replace it, have to upgrade it because it wasn't good enough. I'm just trying to really start this thing off with a good start. So it's going to be 8 AN feed all the way to the fuel rail. Then off the fuel rail, it's going to go to 6 AN because it's just a return. So you don't need as big of a line for a return. So that's going to go to 6 AN. I already have a ton of 6 AN fuel line already. So it just kind of works out really well. Being that I just had to order this. This kit was around $80. But I mean, it comes with all these different AN fittings. It comes with some like hose clamps right here for running it, make it kind of nice and neat. Then back here, right here, it is. Let's see if I can open this one-handed. Let's see. Almost. Sorry, guys. There we go. Good. There. This is. I'm hoping this fits. Let's kind of take a quick look. Get this out of the way. But this should be the adapter plate that I need to turn from power brakes to manual. And that looks like it fits. Oh, that's awesome. So I'm going to be getting, of course, because of room here, there's not really any room for a power booster, the power brake booster. So I'm going to be going to full manual brakes. So it'll just be a master cylinder right here. And then this is the adapter plate. And this actually, and I thought it would work because it looked super similar. Once again, Honda to the rescue. This is off of a, what years did it say? I think it was 94 till 2001, maybe, something like that. Honda Civic or Honda Accord, I believe. Yeah, and this is just their adapter plates that you can use when they convert theirs to manual brakes too. And it looks like it works on the Festivas, so that is awesome. I do have a new master cylinder coming. It is a remote reservoir style, since just room in there is very, very tight. So that is all the goodies I got today. Definitely gonna have a lot of work ahead of me here, guys. You know, but I'm plugging away. Seats in, harness bars in, dash bars about to be welded in. And I'll just see how much more I get done today, but I think this is quite a bit. Definitely enough for a good video for y'all. Definitely give you guys a nice little update on all the parts I just got in. And sometime in the next week, I'll be getting a few more, like the other fuel pump I need to make this into a dual pump. Definitely overkill, for sure. But I'd rather overkill it than not have enough fuel. Yep, that should be it for now. I know I haven't posted since last weekend. I'll try to keep the videos flowing, at least doing one a week. I'll try to do 2 a week, but we'll see how it goes. See how this next week comes in. Till next time, guys, take it easy.